August 7th, 2021. I'm outside and this UPS truck comes and it puts this alarm on and just walks away from the delivery truck. Meanwhile, my family's outside. Listen to this. It has been going off for over 3 minutes. It's a neurological disruptor. Meanwhile, the whole family is here trying to garden, discreetly enjoying themselves. And you hear? Some shitbag from Worldwide Services UPS decides to leave an alarm on in the front of the house. Here's the license plate. There's the symbol. There's the phone number. Not that it ever fucking helps when you use any of this shit. And there's Worldwide Services UPS. It's a piece of shit brown truck with a really like light tan stripe. I don't know what the fuck that means in your world. But the sound, it's really obnoxious. And the fact that they just left it on and walked away, it's weaponry. It's simple weaponry to annoy the fuck out of the innocent people, and it's a neurological disruptor, as is all of the traffic that goes up and down 43rd Avenue all day long. Bayside Station, Bayside, New York, 11361. It's Century 20, year 21. This is what the cockpit looks like. And for some people, it's like, sounds kind of like an alarm ticking down. My white idiots are like, just leave it alone and go back in the house. Their ability to, like, their survival instinct been completely wiped off the neurological map. Swear to fucking Christ. They can't even defend themselves. They're so fucking dumb and useless. I'm just making a note of it. Right, yeah, I know. You're not fucking useful in any capacity. Yeah, I know. I've noticed since I was born. Fucking foxhole into a foxtrot and nobody fucking notices. Stupid shits.